there are two simple steps in order for us to install Laravel Scout. First, we install it with Composer require Laravel Scout. It's going to take some time, and finally I got the Scout as my uh, package in composer.json. The next simple step is to publish the vendor. So I say PHP artisan vendor publish dash dash provider is equal to Laravel backslash scout and scout service provider. Okay, and now if you take a look at your config folder, you see scout.php, which has some basic configurations. We're going to talk about this in next few episodes. Okay, let's get to the next step, which is going to be installing our driver.